first ever episode of Chit Chat Chicas, where we dive deep into the juiciest topics and have some fun along the way.
Yay! I promise बातें सिर्फ दिल से होगी, only real talks. So we promise today's episode is going to be a blast. And maybe it's going to cause a lot of problems or trouble.
मम्मी पप्पा आजी आजोबा कोणीही बघताय आधीच आम्ही ॲडव्हान्समध्ये सॉरी बोलतोय. प्लीज नंतर काय ऐकवू नका. Our secrets are now yours.
Yes. Okay. So actually, this brings to me a topic. Have you ever noticed that your parents, especially moms, try to get all friendly and cozy with you and your friends, pretending to be your friends? And as soon as you open up, जो वो conversation एक लंबा भाषण में बदल जाता है, a lecture on moral, morality.
Yeah, lecture
Something
of
like that.
morality.
हाँ. I mean, तूने ये notice किया कभी?
हाँ, like मैं तो हमेशा इस चीज में फंस जाती हूँ. Like I always fall for the trap. Like, has your mom ever done this? Please comment down in the box.
Yes, we want to know if your parents also trap you like that.
I mean, yeah.
Okay, so, alright, diving into our first topic today, blind dates. Have you ever been on one?
तो मुझे पूछ रही है.
हाँ, और किसको?
पहले इतना नसीब.
So that means you would be open for a blind date.
I mean, I'm confused. मम्मी पापा ऐकू नका please. I believe in experiencing life, but in the same way, it's a trouble. भाई खाई में नहीं गिरना. कुछ भी हो जाए.
I think dating is only trouble.
Yeah.
Or any kind of relationship, friendship, or relationship with your partner, or parents, or siblings. I think it's
तूने मेरे बारे में तो पूछा. तेरा क्या हाल है? Have you been to any blind date?
Looks like the first confession of this podcast
Already?
is gonna be mine.
Wow.
Yeah, so I don't know if it's a French office culture thing or it's just my timing or it's just my luck. I don't know. So something weird happened. It had been just 1 month since I started my internship in France, in one of the beautiful cities called Lille. It gives you a lot of gothic vibes. Beautiful city. It's been 2 weeks. I'm in internship, and my boss randomly comes to me and he asks me, "So, Angelica, are you single?" And at that point, I was like dying. It's like, why he's asking me this question? It's super, super, super weird to ask if I'm single or not. And I'm like, huh, yeah, I am. And he's like, really? You're single? Okay. Few days
Wait,
passed
what?
away.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
Your boss asked you if you're single? Like, did he set you up with someone? Don't tell me yes.
Yeah, I'll come to that story. Of course, at that time, I was not looking for a boyfriend, and I told him, like, not really. It's like, no, my dear, you're single, you're in France, you're in a new city, you're still young, you should experience, blah, 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 blah. And it's like, okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set you up with one of my friend who was an intern just before you. He's a nice guy. And I'm like, okay. I just like nodded along. I'm like, okay, let's see if it happens. I met that guy, and that guy did not come alone.
Wait.
He was, yeah, he was not alone.
He came with whom? Don't tell me his girlfriend.
He came. Mm-hmm. 1 minute. Hold on. He came with his brother, and then his girlfriend joined us later. So basically, he was already in a relationship, and he got his brother because his brother was single. So yeah, it was a super weird double blind date, not even double blind. I don't know what name should I give, but they were very cool people. They introduced me to the city. They introduced me to some people. It was a nice meetup, but that was my first and the last. So yeah, that's it. This is my story of blind date.
My only reaction is, aha, Himali, no trouble. Mm-mm. I mean, but why am I hearing this now? After like how many years? 5 years?
It happened in 2019.
Yeah. Wow.
Yep, 5.
It
Long
took
time
you
ago.
so long to accept that you finally went on a blind date?
You can say so.
Wow.
But I don't know even if I can call this a blind date or not. But yeah, it was supposed to be, but turned out to be weird.
Definitely, yeah. Mm-mm. No blind dates. Not happening. Huh.
Okay. So we can transition into our next confession because I already did one.
Yeah.
So let's do the next confession, which is we picked up from online Instagram page where people post their opinions or their confessions, or I don't know if they are looking for certain insights from people. And it's a controversial one. Are you ready?
Definitely. Yes.
Okay. It's not that I don't like the idea of marriage. I know it can be beautiful with the right person, but one thing society needs to understand is that marriage is not for everyone. There should be laws stating that having a partner is not compulsory. Choosing not to marry should be completely acceptable, as everyone has different perspectives on how they want their life to be. No one has the right to oppose personal choices. The right to choose should be a fundamental awareness.
Wow. Wow. That's thought. It's like a provoking confession. It's true that marriage isn't a one size fits all, and everyone should have the freedom to choose what suits them best. And I am kind of in the favor of this. Like, yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, you
I
should
think
not.
in the end, it's
Yeah.
yeah. I mean, it in the end, it depends on you if you want to, because there are a lot of people who do not like commitment
True.
or cannot manage a lot of responsibility that comes with a marriage.
True.
So I think it should not be judgmental.
Yeah. I mean, but like अपने इंडिया में तो यही होता है ना, मैरिज इज अ माइलस्टोन. लड़की की पढ़ाई हो गई, चलो 22-23 साल, गेट मैरिड, यू हैव नथिंग हियर. तेरा क्या नहीं, देयर इज दिस से, लड़की पराए घर की धन होती है. कौन 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 बोलता है ये?
That's true, हाँ. Especially जब हमारे आसपास के लोग शादी करें, हमारे friends या people we know
Yeah.
are getting married, and if they don't have a boyfriend, they are looking for someone through arranged marriages, but yeah, they want to be married. I mean, if you want to be married, it's still cool. If you don't want to be married, it should be still cool. But yeah, it's the South Asian mentality, I think.
Maybe, yeah. But I guess it should be completely your own decision. What suits you, if you're comfortable, if you're like, if you love your life, if you love being alone, if you enjoy your own company, I guess you don't need partner. Like, you have friends. For me, I am like, दोस्त है लाइफ में मस्त है. Marriage, relationship, boyfriends, girlfriends, trouble. Trouble.
But
और
you need that.
ऊपर से मैरिज के साथ तो बाय वन गेट वन फ्री इन लॉज आते हैं. मतलब एक को झेलना कम होता है जो और 10 जन झेलना पड़ता है.
That is so true.
नहीं.
वो है ना हमारे क्या 2 जन की शादी नहीं हो रही है, 2 फैमिलीज की शादी हो रही है.
तो फैमिलीज को ही खड़े कर दो ना मंडप में, वरमाला डाल दो.
हाँ, एक दूसरे को
हाँ. नहीं भाई, वो ब्राइड एंड ग्रूम को क्यों इतना सताते हो? पूरे 3-4 दिन का शादी रखते हो, उनको सताया जाता है. एंड यू आर लाइक चिलिंग, एंजॉयिंग, डांसिंग.
Actually, France में people don't choose to get married. Like, it's not so much in the culture of getting married. Like, they prefer like having children is like a commitment rather than getting married. Like, the weight of commitment is on having children rather than legally being together.
That is
So
good
that was
now.
something interesting.
I mean, that is good. Like, you have freedom to live your own life. Like,
But okay, marriage is one thing, right?
yeah.
But then having a partner is another.
Mm-mm.
I feel at certain time or age, you do want to have a companion.
That is
You know,
true.
क्योंकि तुम्हारे दोस्तों की शादियां हो रही है, they get busy in their life. बाद में तुम तो अकेले ही पढ़ने वाले हो ना.
That
Then
is
you
true.
need someone to share with.
Yeah. But then, okay, have a partner. If you don't want to get married at some point, you need to accept कि okay, I should have someone in my life. बट ऐसे नहीं कि हाँ, घर वालों के प्रेशर में मैं शादी कर रही हूँ एंड घर वालों ने लड़का ढूंढ के लाया, घर वालों ने लड़की ढूंढ के लाई, बट आई लाइक समवन एल्स बैक इन माय डेज.
Oh,
एंड फिर वो तो कलेश हो जाएगा भाई शादी के बाद. नो वंडर अपने आसपास हम इतने सेपरेशंस, डिवोर्स इतने कम उम्र में सुन रहे हैं. Like,
हाँ भाई.
they get married and
That's
within
true.
6 months, 1 year, भाई they're separated already. इतना खर्चा ही क्यों करते हो शादी पे?
हाँ ना, कितना खर्चा करो शादी के ऊपर और फिर 1-2 साल में चलने ही नहीं वाला है. उससे
Yeah,
अच्छा वो पैसों का दूसरा जगह यूज हो जाता.
true.
That's true.
तामझाम वाली शादी and then का divorce. I
नहीं
mean,
यार, का नहीं होता. डिवोर्स के लिए भी बहुत खर्चे होते हैं भाई. लॉयर के खर्चे, ऊपर से क्या उससे हिस्सा वैसा मांग लिया तो.
and that is true,
वो
but comparatively
हार्दिक.
शादी का खर्चे से comparatively तो बहुत ही कम होता है. चल 20%. हाँ, अगर
वो
सामने
हार्दिक
वाला,
पांडे का क्रिकेटर का नहीं देखा तूने? हार्दिक पांडे क्रिकेटर का नहीं देखा?
बट मैंने रील भी देखा था, उसने स्मार्ट वर्क किया, माँ के नाम पे सब कुछ डाल दिया है भाई.
बट पता नहीं था असली में सब कुछ है या नहीं.
That is true. नहीं, marriages are super expensive. I agree. Now,
इसलिए I agree with French people. Why to get legally in trouble rather than you can live together, have
तो
children, be
हाँ,
happy. Yeah.
तू उधर ही रह, तू फ्रांस में ही रह, मम्मी को भेजती हूँ मैं इधर से.
मेरी मम्मी नहीं आ रही है इधर. लास्ट टाइम मम्मी आई उधर ही उसने उन्होंने कान पकड़ लिया. भाई ये देश मेरे लिए नहीं है.
At some point you're going to come back. But yeah, I mean, शादी is a very serious thing.
हाँ, It should be a personal choice.
Yeah.
Force नहीं होना चाहिए
True.
क्योंकि फोर्स करते तो पता नहीं दूसरे इंसान का भी लाइफ क्यों ही खराब कर रहे, खेलना ही क्यों है.
True.
एंड पेरेंट्स को भी थोड़ा समझ जाना चाहिए.
Hmm.
So we agree with you. It should not be forced at all and should not be judgmental.
Yeah.
But this podcast is about being judgmental. So
We have done both. We judged and we also favored. So yay.
win-win.
Yeah. So yeah, here's another interesting one. Okay. Are you ready for this?
Yep, I am all ready.
I had hidden the ring in my socks drawer, thinking it would be safe since I live alone. My girlfriend came over to my house while I was at work and, while looking for socks, found the ring. When I got back, she sat me down and told me she loves me and wants to spend her life with me. Then she told me she found the ring and doesn't love it. Yeah. So I had gotten a custom ring based on what I thought it would like. She would like. She said the diamond wasn't big enough. It's a 0.5 carat solitaire oval cut ring. And she was disappointed that the rock wasn't bigger. I was shocked and disappointed, especially since I thought she would be thrilled. Instead, she focused on the size of the diamond. She made me question her values. As she had always been so grateful for even the smallest gestures, I feel like this shows her true colors, and it's disheartening since I was planning to propose in the next 2 weeks. Oh man, I feel sad for this guy. Like,
But at the same time, I don't think it is right of him to judge her value and characteristics. कि ठीक है यार, okay, she wants a bigger ring. Now we do not know वो बंदा अमीर है नहीं है, उसकी हैसियत कितना. अगर उसका बहुत अमीर है वो छोटू सा रिंग दे रहा है तो मतलब वो कंजूसी दिखा रहा है. Like it depends, right?
हो सकता है.
तेरे लिए क्या है? तेरे लिए रिंग साइज मैटर करता है?
नहीं, मतलब इधर बाजू में लड़का नहीं है, शादी की बात नहीं हो रही है. हाँ, और तू मुझे रिंग का बात सपने दिखा रही है. नॉट इवन इन द वाइल्डेस्ट ड्रीम मैंने रिंग का सपना देखा है.
आई थिंक वो ना इंस्टाग्राम पे बहुत सारे वो रील्स आते हैं ना कि व्हाट साइज योर रिंग शुड बी. लाइक वो अमेरिकन ऑडियंसेस का ज़्यादा वो
Yeah.
मैंने देखा है. एंड जैसे 6 months worth of salary का होना चाहिए. It should cost $100,000 at least. It should break his bank balance. I mean,
Why?
कौन है ये लोग? कहाँ से आते हैं ये लोग? तुम्हारे हैसियत में है $100,000 रिंग देने के लिए तुम्हारे होने वाले पति के लिए? How can you expect the same?
भाई, मैं तो समाधानी हूँ. जो भी दो खुशी से दो.
अपना महाराष्ट्र इनका सही है. चुपचाप साधारण गोल्ड रिंग खरीदो, एक दूसरे को पहना दो, साकर पूरा कर लो, बात खत्म.
या आजकल तो वो कस्टमाइज रिंग्स आते हैं, यू नो, लाइक द पार्टनर्स दे गो एंड वो खुद का रिंग मोल्ड करते हैं एंड खुद का कोई सिंबल या नाम लिखते हैं. आई फाइंड इट वेरी कूल. लाइक यू आर एक्चुअली पुटिंग एफर्ट इन मेकिंग योर ओन रिंग. तो आई वुड लाइक समथिंग लाइक दैट. मतलब इट्स नाइस. वो रिंग का वर्थ होगा कि यू नो कितना तुमने एफर्ट डाला है उसमें. What about you?
हाँ, maybe more personalized. But ठीक है, if it's arranged marriage, like zero expectations of what ring it is. But maybe like if you are in committed relationship पहले से ही, then maybe yeah, maybe like little personalized rings, but something you can wear every day. Like you can't carry 50
Yeah.
लाख का ring तुम्हारे
Exactly.
हाथ में every day और बर्तन घसो.
ठीक है. देख, जो सॉलिटेयर बहुत अमीर लोग पहनते हैं वो बर्तन तो घसने नहीं जाएंगे. That's another thing.
अरे है मैंने देखा है, मैंने ऐसे एक दो जन है आसपास, मैंने देखा है कि रिंग बहुत ही ज्यादा एलाबरेट रिंग है एंड मोर देन अफोर्डेबल रिंग है. आई हैव सीन दैट. इट
हाँ.
लुक्स वेरी गॉडी ऑल्सो, क्योंकि उतने हाथ में कितना बड़ा सा दिखता है.
हाँ यार, नहीं, इट्स ओके. छोटू सा नाइस कस्टमाइज रिंग में खुश
That's
रहूंगी.
American thing. Let it be in America.
Yeah.
Not
What
here.
about you? What are your thoughts on
What ring
ring?
do I expect?
Yeah.
I think it should be simple, not like expensive. Well, if someone gives me $100,000 ring, suppose, I will sell that ring the next day. I'm gonna take that money, put it in the stock market, 50%, the other 50% down payment to buy an apartment.
Applause.
That's what I will do.
I like the idea. छीन लूंगी मैं
हाँ
आइडिया
यार.
तेरे से.
बट उसके लिए कोई $100,000 रिंग देने वाला भी तो होना चाहिए.
It's fine. हम दोनों एक दूसरे को देते हैं.
बस एक दूसरे को ही हम दिलासा देते रहते हैं. कोई नहीं, हम तो है एक दूसरे के साथ.
Hey, रे. At the end of the day, I know. Yeah.
So this is the end of our first episode. Thank you for joining us, and please go to our comment section, share your reviews, your feedback, and if you feel like being part of our conversation, there is a link to our confession in our description box. So do click there, share your stories, your experience, and be part of Chit Chat Chika's conversation.
Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to subscribe, and yes, drop your reviews because we love to see them. We love to read them. And yeah, keep listening to us. We come every Friday. So until then, bye bye. Have a fabulous day.
And keep chit chatting.